Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to Profile menu settings, skip extras, and go to Account then Personal information. Once there, type your country code and phone number exactly. Small typos block verification. After you submit, Instagram will offer SMS with a 6-digit code. Choose that. Why this matters: the number links your identity for recovery and security. Once you request the code, keep your phone nearby and don't navigate away until the SMS arrives, because some apps block background reception. After entering the code, Instagram confirms the number and stores it for account recovery and two-factor authentication. Immediately enable two-factor authentication under Security and pick SMS to make your link number active for logins. Make sure your account email is current so recovery matches both channels. If you plan to switch phones, register an authenticator app as a backup. Otherwise, SMS is the single way many users rely on. Once done, test by logging out and requesting a login code to verify receipt. Finish by confirming the number stayed saved in personal information and that two-factor via SMS is active. If you don't get a code, verify you entered the correct country code and number, then wait 60 seconds before resending. Restarting your phone can clear carrier glitches. If problems persist, ask your mobile carrier about SMS blocking or shortcode filters. Key troubleshooting tip: if SMS delivery fails repeatedly, temporarily use a different mobile number you control to complete verification. Then update to your preferred.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.